Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. I have the great pleasure of presenting to you a Lunar Clubman ES 2016 that we've recently taken on behalf of a long-standing customer of us here at Grantham. An absolute pleasure in having this piece of stock in an extremely well looked after 3-berth caravan. So here is a good look at that Clubman ES 2016, a very large front locker box area locating 2 gas bottles and various amenities, but only light items when you're loading that up. You certainly want to be conscious of nose weight. You've got the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. As we come down the side, you've got an exterior barbecue point located there, a wet locker box with 240-volt socket inside, and that wonderful Clubman logo going down the side of the caravan. You've got a PowerTouch Evolution automatic engage motor mover already fitted to the caravan. The wonderful machine black alloys. So when stepping into this caravan, one of the first things that you always notice is this wonderfully spacious slight cubby hole as you step inside there to tuck away various bits and bobs. You've got certain items that the previous customer has left in. You can see the motor mover handset located there, the aqua roll underneath the side dinette, which is a beautiful finish on that side dinette, very spacious, and a great place to sit together as a family to be able to have those nice evening meals. You've got an easy usable height microwave and a beautiful finish on this wonderful two-tone effect that you get throughout the Clubman range in this particular year. High quality finish on the fabric scheme, which also shows exactly how well looked after this caravan was by the previous owner. Nice large chest area there with pull-out table and plenty of further storage, and the double step left in by the previous customer. Television point located down the front there for the TV on the front binnacle, and you've also got individual switch-on spotlights dotted throughout the caravan. A very large and spacious side kitchen area with side worktop extension and a nice medium-sized under-counter fridge. You've got that two-tone locker going throughout as well, but one of the great features in these particular caravans is this wonderful sunroof that you see at the top, lending a huge amount of light in, creating a fantastic feeling of space on this 7'8" wide body shell. You've got 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Now that we step through to a very spacious bathroom area, so individual shower cubicle, very large with the Wastemaster in there that's been left in also by the previous customer. You've got a hanging rail up there and your Aldi header tank with your multi-directional aerial and Vision Plus box. Further chest and further drawers underneath for storage, with storage underneath the bathroom area, and also another additional wardrobe with hanging rail. So you're certainly not short of storage in this model. You've also got the Aldi Wet Central heated towel rail. As mentioned there, this benefiting from the Aldi Wet Central heating and also the Lunar command panel located above the habitation door. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Lunar Clubman ES 2016 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. We hope you enjoy the walk around tour and we'd love the opportunity to do business with you. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.